want to show you something very interesting in this video. I don't want to lose you. Imagine that you can see your future. Imagine that you know what will happen in the next few days, in the next few months, in the next few years. Imagine you can see yourself in the next 5, 10, 20, 30 years. How exciting do you think your life will be? In this video, I'll be sharing with you something that I believe is very important. It will help you to live an exciting and energetic life. Now, this is what happens. If you cannot see where you are going very clearly, you get a bit discouraged, you get a bit tired, or perhaps frustrated to go through the journey. So when we cannot see where we are going, we are guessing, we are confused, we are tired, we are discouraged, and we even tell ourselves, what's the point? What is the sacrifices for? Why? We cannot see what lies ahead of us. Now something popped up in my mind. I feel I should share it. Do you remember that place in the book of Hebrews chapter 12 verse 2? Don't go yet. Look at what the Bible says. It says, looking unto Jesus. There's something we want to learn from it. The author and the finisher of your faith, who for the joy that was set before him endured the cross, despising the shame, now is sitting at the right hand of the Father. Now, the point is simple. Looking unto Jesus. Why? There was a joy set before him. So what happened? He endured the cross. And that is what happens to anybody who can see his own future or our own future. You then suddenly have the capacity to endure, capacity to tolerate, capacity to go through, capacity to sacrifice. Why? You can see the end even from now. Creating a life vision is not just about setting goals. It's about defining the essence of what you want to become and what you want to achieve. Let me show you in 7 steps how you can create a compelling life vision. Let's go straight into it. Step number 1, imagine your ideal future. If you may, I would like you to spend a moment, close your eyes. Imagine where you want to be in the next 5, 10, 15, 20, even 30 years. What does your perfect day look like? Who are you with? How are you spending that day? What are you doing? I want you to visualize in detail what that future looks like. I don't want you to hold back. Should you find yourself in the Mediterranean Sea on a yacht, don't stop it. Just remember, a life vision is about what truly matters to you, not just fleeting fantasies. One thing I can guarantee you, whatever you see when you close your eyes, imagining that ideal future, I can assure you it's going to be better. It's going to be more beautiful than whatever you are seeing right now, than whoever you are right now. That's what I can guarantee you. Step number 2, identify your core values. Your values are the principles that guide your decisions and your actions. So take some time to really think about what is most important to you. Is it family? Is it creativity? Is it integrity? Is it freedom? Is it happiness? Whatever it is, I want you to think about it. What are the things that you will not want to bend? What are the things you will not want to avoid? What are the things that you want to ride on as you journey towards that beautiful future that you imagined, that you have seen? So I want you to write down at least 5 top core values that you believe in, that will guide you in creating your own life vision, because they will help to align your vision with the things that really matter to you most. Step number 3, define your passion. What are the things that when you do them, you lose track of time? What subjects do you love learning about? What are the things that you would do, you could say for free without asking for money? It's a pointer to your passion. These are things that you are most energetic about. So I will advise you, list out your top passion. These are the things that brings you the greatest joy and fulfillment, and they play a central role in your life vision. So identify them. What are the things you love to do? What are the things that you would love to live and perhaps die for? These are your passions. Identify them. They will be part of your life vision. Step number 4, craft your vision statement. This is the time for you to write down that concise, precise, inspirational statement that captures your ideal future. It should be very clear and motivating. Let's take, for instance, somebody could write, my vision is to inspire and empower others through creative expression and community building. One thing you should ensure is that your vision statement reflects your values and your passion. It should be such that focuses you and motivates you every day. Each time you wake up and you come to that remembrance of your vision, you should be excited, you should be motivated, you should be ready to start the day. Step number 5, visualize daily. This is where it gets interesting. You need to spend some time every day visualizing your ideal future. And this helps to keep your vision at the forefront of your mind. You don't lose it, and it reinforces your commitment, your readiness to achieving it. So as you daily visualize the future, you are focused, you are motivated, and it's a powerful way to help you manifest your dreams. And by the way, it's a great excuse to daydream productively. Step number 6, share your vision. Tell your friends, family, mentors about your life vision. Sharing it with others makes it more real and provides you with a support system to help you stay on track. And if you will agree with me, sharing your vision with people, it's another way of helping people in your life to have their own life vision. And as you can see, it's a win-win. You share your vision with them, the vision comes alive in your heart, and they are also encouraged to create their own life vision. And if you will agree with me, that is win-win for everyone. Step number 7, reflect and visualize. Life vision is not cast on the stone. As you grow and change, your vision might evolve also. So regularly take some time out to reflect on your vision and make adjustments as needed. So I will advise you, stay flexible. Be open to change. Your life vision is a live document. It will grow, it will be adapting as you are growing. So there you have it. 7 steps to creating a powerful life vision. So what do we have? Imagine your ideal future. Identify your core values. Define your passions. Craft your vision statements. Visualize daily what you have written down, what you have crafted. Share your vision with people in your life and reflect on what you have shared towards improving it for a more guaranteed destiny. If you ask me, can you summarize this whole thing in a very simple form? I will tell you that what you come up with as a vision statement, it's a combination of 3 things. The first thing is your imagination of the future. The second thing, your core values. And the third thing, your passions. Connecting these 3 together is what helps you to come up with a vision statement that is encouraging, that is motivating, that keeps you focused and keeps you energetic all your days. That is it. You have to imagine the future. Where do you see yourself in years to come? Who do you see yourself? What are the core values of your life currently? What are the things that you hold dearly to? And what are your passions? What would you do and you won't demand for reward? It's a pointer to your passion. And when you connect these 3 together, what you have is a vision statement. I don't want you to just write it down. Write it down and visualize it daily. Keep it at the forefront of your mind so that what you have written is in your subconscious and it drives you. It keeps you focused. If somebody should ask you, bro, sis, what is your life vision? You should be able to tell anyone, my life vision is to. My life vision is to. As you do that, you get focused, you encourage others to have vision for themselves, and you keep your life in a progressive path. As you stay faithful to this exercise, coming up with a life vision that is motivating to you and encouraging to others, I'm so confident you will continually experience growth and effectiveness in your life and in everything that you are committed to. Till next time I see you on the same channel, I want you to stay committed, stay visualizing your future, and it will become a reality. God bless you.